Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back with the E63, which is the 630i, the 6 Series, because this car has developed another fault. Now, I would expect it to have a fault because this car is purely not in use like none of the BMs are. Not the M5, not the 6 Series, not the other 5 Series, not even the 1 Series, none of them are in use. So they're all gonna keep throwing problems because they're just sitting and I'm literally just starting them, stopping them, letting them run. They've all got battery discharge lights, which you can expect because I'm not starting them from 1 week to 2 weeks to 3 weeks some of the time. So they're all just sitting outside in a newly built part for all of them. But they're just having a lot of issues at the moment. And this one has developed an issue which was to be expected based on the mileage, year, and where it's not being driven. Now, many people with this fault will think that their battery is dead in their key or there's something wrong, which is simply not the case. Today I'm going to be showing you a common part that actually fails on these cars. Many people don't actually show you on YouTube how to actually locate this and where it's actually located on a 6 Series. Now this will be the same on the convertibles, this will be the same on the normal coupe version as well. It's located in the same place and I'm going to show you guys how to actually get to it and which one is which, because unlike these 60s, this is completely different and this one uses 2 of them and I'm going to tell you which one is for what, because I don't want many of you guys to get confused not understanding which one you do need to replace and which one you don't. This one does need it replaced. I'm going to show you how to locate it on another video. I will then be showing you how to fit the new one as well, but you'll probably see how simple it is when we actually remove the part to actually get to it. Much easier access than E60s and E90s, and many of you guys with a 6 Series are going to love how simple and easy it is to just get to this part.
Goddamn, get it done, will ya? When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know.
Okay guys, so if you can see there, this is on my E60 M5 and you can see right there, we've got a shark fin. Now, the shark fins on the E60s is what leads you to the antenna, which sits directly under here, underneath the third brake light. So that's how you know where the antenna is, because this is basically your antenna for your radio reception, your key signal and everything else. Now, if you've ever noticed on a 6 Series, the 6 Series doesn't come with a shark fin. You can see the third brake light here. And many of you will wonder, where is the actual amplifier antenna for a 6 Series? And that's purely because they don't have a shark fin. But that's what I'm going to be showing you today, how to locate that, because as I said to you, there is no videos on YouTube and nobody actually shows you how to actually locate them and tell you which one is what to actually replace when it comes to actually replacing them. So as you can see, we're at the trunk area here, and what I'm going to just quickly do is just open up the trunk. So as you can see here, we've got the tailgate open. Now the tailgate is a very important part on the 6 Series. Many people won't understand why, but I'm about to show you why it is. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is just pull out all these rivet clips. It's very simple to do, not hard at all. We're going to go ahead and pull them all out. Now there's quite a few, so you'll see me removing them all. So we're just going to get them out, just get a pry tool like that, pull them all out, and you should be able to get to them and pull every single one out. And there is quite a few to locate, so do look around before I start pulling things. You'll have, look, I've already removed myself, which you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 already out the car, and we've still got quite a few to go. So now we're gonna get the last lot out. And if you can see here, we've got another load. So we've got 5 there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's now 12, and we've still got more. And then once you've got that off, you can then start pulling it to free it up. Now, once you've got that removed, you can see in the back here, this is where your antennas are located. Now, this is the same on the E64, the E63. This is where BMW put them. They put them here in a rear tailgate that lifts up, and all the wiring will then run through here through the wiring loom and down the corner right there through the pole into the car. Now, if you can see, there is 2 here. Now, if you was to order new ones, one of them will be for your FM radio, which is this one. The other one will be for your key signal and your amplifier, which is this one right here. So this is the one for your FM antenna, and these are the 2 for your amplifier and your key signal as well. So this is the one you're going to need to change. Now, majority of the time when you do look them up online, they will be selling them as a set. And that's purely because obviously whenever someone breaks a 6 Series, obviously they're going to be sold as a set together. Now, many of you will probably not notice you'll have an issue with your amplifiers and your diversity antennas, and that's purely because where it's located in the 6 series, water can't really get to it like it could on the E60 through the shark fin, through the sill. Water can get in, seep in, and you know, completely destroy the diversity antenna, which can end up being corroded. With these, that's just simply not the case, but they can go wrong, and they are known to go wrong. Many of you guys message me all the time saying you've got problems with your keys on your 6 series or your convertible, your keys not working, the doors ain't locking. This will be your problem right here. You can see how easy they are to actually remove. It's only 3 Torx 20 bolts holding it. Comes off, put the new one on, bolt it back on. It's much simpler than it is on an E60, and you've got all the space in the world to be able to work and do it. On an E60, you've got to work with your head above, and it's very hard to get it into position. And obviously, you've got to be careful with the pins, pressing the diversity antenna into its contacts properly and make sure it actually locks in. With these, you don't have to worry about that. You just remove all, unplug the FACRA, and then you're basically back good to go. But you've got to remember, you will have to code the new antenna module. It's very important you need to do that, and obviously change the VIN as well to make it all fully function after you've done that. But this is where you would locate them, guys, on the E64 and the E63. It's very important that if they do go out and you're getting a weak FM reception, just replace the 2 of them at the same time. Don't be cheap and try and replace just one of them, because knowing everyone's luck, obviously, if one's gone, the other one's likely to go as well. And they are a common problem, so do bear that in mind when actually changing them. Majority of the sellers online will sell them together. They won't sell them separately. So your best bet is to buy them both together in the first place anyway. So there you have it, guys. Now I've shown you how to locate the diversity antennas on your E63 and E64. Now I know I'm still gonna get questions asking, does this apply to the E64? Does this apply to the E63? Yes, it does. They are all located in the same place. Doesn't matter what variant you have. Doesn't matter if you've got a 650, a 645, 640. Doesn't matter what you've got, it applies to you. I know a lot of people are going to keep asking that question if it applies to the 630i coupes. Does it apply to the 630 convertibles? Yes, it does. The whole range throughout, it will be located in the same place. Even the LCI models with the M53 engine, it will be located in the same place. So you don't have to ask me if it's going to be located in a different place. That's the only place BMW could put it, because as I said to you, they could not put a shark fin on the 6 series, especially, you know, when you think about a convertible, how would they put a shark fin on the convertible roof? So that was the only place they could physically put it out of harm's way, which was in the tailgate area. Very easy to get to, and like I said, they very rarely go wrong, but this one has got a very weak signal, and the key signal's not picking up from close range at all, so this one has to be changed. I'm just waiting to see some on the market, which are the same part for this one, so then that way I can just replace the both of them and get it over and done with. Now, not that I really need the FM one, because I've actually got DAB in the 6 series, so realistically, FM is basically useless to me anyway, but I do need the diversity antenna with the amplifier for the key range, so it can pick up the signal from far away, because that's what the amplifier booster is actually for, which is built in, so your key can actually pick up the signal from far away, and you can unlock the car from no matter how far you are away from the vehicle. So thank you very much for watching, guys. It's BMW Dr. Dean, and I hope this video is going to help many of you be able to solve this issue of why your key is not working in your BMW 6 series. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.